ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 990। आत्मा ज्योति कार्यकरण स्वावयव संगतम कार्यकरण अवभासकम। कार्यकरण व्यतिरिक्तम and कार्य कारण व्यतिरिक्तम, they are very different. कार्य कारण व्यतिरिक्तम means that which is different from the संघात, स्थूल शरीर सूक्ष्म शरीर। कार्य कारण व्यतिरिक्तम और कार्य कारण विलक्षणम ब्रह्म वेन्वी से कार्य इस कार्य प्रपंच, कारण इस कारण ब्रह्म, और कार्य ब्रह्म एंड कारण ब्रह्म। निर्गुण ब्रह्म तुरीय इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कार्य ब्रह्म एंड कारण ब्रह्म, so that is different. Here it is कार्य करण व्यतिरिक्त। In टीका we saw उपरतेषु आत्मज्योति इति शेष। यच्च कार्यकरण व्यतिरिक्तम कार्यकरण संघात अनुग्राहकम च ज्योतिः तद बाह्यैः चक्षुरादिकरणैः उपलभ्यमानं दृष्टम् न तु तथा तच्चक्षुरादिभिः उपलभ्यते। आदित्यादि ज्योतिषु उपरतेषु, when आदित्यादि ज्योति उपरमणम happens, then the jyoti which is present, Atma Jyoti, that Atma Jyoti is Chakshuradibihi na upalabhyate. So the Uparateshu Adityadi Jyotishu, their Uparamanam is required so that we can establish that they are not part of the Jyoti at that time. So their Vyavartanam is required. Only one Jyoti at a time. So at that time, no Aditya, no Chandrama, no Agni, and no Tadeva tarhi ma bhut iti chen netyaha. Then somebody says all other Jyotis are not there. Atma Jyoti also may not be there. It is not, there is no such thing called Atma Jyoti like Charvak. Netyaha. Karyantu Jyotisho drishyate yasmat. तस्माद आत्मना एवायम ज्योतिषा आस्ते पल्ययते कर्म कुरुते विपल्येति इति। कार्यन्तु ज्योतिषो दृश्यते। ज्योतिषो, व्हाट इज द विभक्ति?
षष्ठी।
षष्ठी। ज्योतिषः कार्यं तु दृश्यते यस्मात्, सिंस दिस द केस, तस्मात् Atmana eva ayam jyotisha, and therefore you can establish Atmana jyotisha aste palyate karma krute vipalyati. Tasman nunam antastham jyotiriti avagamyate. Therefore, nunam, certainly, indeed there is some antastham jyoti. Ten number tippani, sapalatve sati atindriyatvat. Sapalatve, because there is phalam of that jyoti being there, and it is atindriya. Therefore, it has to be antastha. Antastham means
Innermost.
Inner.
Somebody said something.
Inner standing.
Any other answer?
Within.
No, they are all antastham, inner, within. What does that tippani say? Atindriyatvam. When it is said something is antaha, means it does not become vishaya of indriya. Indriya agocharam. That is the jyoti. That is what now he says in Tika. Vimatam antastham atindriyatvat adityadivat iti. Yatireki ityartha. Vimatam antastham. Vimatam atma jyotihi. Vimatam means atma jyotihi. Antastham. Atindriyatvat. Because it is atindriya. Adityadivat, like Aditya Jyoti. Aditya Jyoti is atindriya.
Yes, Swamiji.
What is Swamiji?
No, Swamiji.
Rupa.
It is Indriya Pratyaksh.
So what is given in this Anuman?
It is a Vyatireki.
Yatirekya Anumanam is not. Only Drashtanta.
Vyatiraki. Drishtanta.
Aditya Yatirekena Adityadivat. Aditya, Chandrama, Agni, these jyotis are Indriya Pratyaksha. Shabda is also Indriya Pratyaksha. Atma Jyoti is unlike Aditya. So Vyatireki. Yatra, what is the Vyapti in this?
Yatra yatra atindriyatvam tatra tatra antasthatvam.
Yatra yatra atindriyatvam tatra tatra antastatvam. That which is atindriya is antastha. So this is Anvay Vyapti. And Vyatireki Vyapti will be somebody else.
Yatra yatra antasattva abhavata. Tatra tatra indriya pratyakshatvam.
Yatra yatra antastatva abhava tatra tatra indriya pratyakshatvam. And for that, the Drashtanta would become Aditya. Aditya is not antastha. and it doesn't have atindriyatva, it is indriya pratyaksha. So, Siddhanti has established that this Atma Jyoti is Karya Karana Sanghata Vyatirikta and Antastha. It is different from Karya Karana Sanghata. Different from Karya Karana Sanghata is true for Aditya, Chandrama, everybody. They all are also different from Karya Karana Sanghata. But this is Antastha. And it is present when all other jyotis are absent. Means, okay, it is present when all other jyotis are absent also. When they are present also it is there. When they are absent also it is there. So we don't say Atma Jyoti is there only when no other Jyoti is there. Otherwise in Jagrat, Atma Jyoti will not be there. So it is there, but we are using Swapna to first establish its presence, that there is some such thing through Anumanam. Vyatirekantaram aha kincha adityadi jyotir vilakshanam tadabhautikancha sa eva hetur yat chakshuradi agrahyatvam adityadivat. Adityadi jyotir vilakshanam tadabhautikam cha sa eva hetu. So this will become the hetu. Adityadi jyoti vilakshana is Atma Jyoti and it is abhautikam. It is not a physical, means it is not indriya pratyaksha, it is atindriya. 11 number tippani. Atma Jyoti abhautikam atindriyatvat adityadivat iti vyatireki anumanantaram. Adityadi jyotir vilakshanam iti abhautika swarupa anvakhyanam. Abhautikam cha iti chakaro nirukta vyatireka samuchayartha. After swarupanvakhyanam, put purna viram. So the Anumanam was already given in Tika. Thereafter he says, Adityadi Jyotir Vilakshanam means abhautikam. Abhautikam cha, when it is said, that chakaro is nirukta vyatireka samuchayartha. So the two things are given. It is Vilakshanam, Adityadi Jyotir Vilakshanam. Means it is not Aditya, Jyoti, Chandrama, Agni, etc. It is different. And it is not Indriya Pratyaksha. It is Abhautikam cha. Sa eva hetu. That is the hetu. Yat chakshuradi agrahyatvam adityadivat. Just as Adityadi, Chakshuradi grahya, they are, this is unlike them. That is proved. Now, Charvak comes and starts questioning. So, lot of vichara is going to be there. संप्रति लोकायतश्चोदयति. लोकायत is चारवाक. नंबर टिप्पणी. आत्मा एव अस्य ज्योतिर्भवति इति अत्र आत्मा देहादि अतिरिक्ता स्वयं ज्योतिरशेष कर्तृत्वादि शून्यो ब्रह्म एव इति उक्ते. Atma is the Jyoti, which is Dehadi Atirikta and not Indriya Pratyaksha. And it is Swayam Jyoti. This is going to be later proved as Brahma, Kartrutvadi Shunya. So that Lokayata Charvaki is questioning. Na. Samana Jatiyena eva Upakara Darshanat. There should be Samana Jatiyatvam. Now, what is the meaning of na? He says, first tippani na, one number. Atma Jyotihi antastham atiriktam abhautikam cha na bhavitum arhati. Atma Jyoti is antastha, means not Indriya Pratyaksha. Antastham atiriktam. Atiriktam, Karyakarana Sanghata Atirik, and abhautikam. Abhautikam means it is not Pancha Mahabhuta Karya. Like Agni, Surya, Chandrama, etc. They are Bhautika. This is not Bhautikam. He has his own hetu. Samana Jatiyena eva Upakara Darshanat. This is the hetu. Nayartham Vyachaste. Yad Adityadi Vilakshanam Jyotirantaram Siddham. Iti etad asat. You proved that that which is Adityadi Jyotir Vilakshanam Antaram Atma Jyoti, it is Siddham, is not true. Uttam Hetum Prashna Purvakam Vivajate. So Siddhanti will ask, why Kasmat Upakriyamana Samana Jatiyena eva Adityadi Jyotisha Karyakarana Sanghatasya Bhautikasya Bhautikena eva Upakaraha Kriyamano Drishyate. Upakriyamana Samana Jatiyena. Upakriyamana is Karyakarana Sanghata. The one who gets Upak. It's called Upakarya also. One is Upakari, another is Upakarya. Upakarya is equal to Upakriyamana. Upakriyamana is Karyakarana Sanghata. It's Samana Jatiyena eva Adityadi Jyotisha Karyakarana Sanghatasya Bhautikasya Bhautikena eva Upakaraha Kriyamana Krishna. Charvak says, a materialistic thing can be assisted or helped by another material thing alone. If Karyakarana Sanghata is Bhautika, Jyoti also has to be Bhautika. Like in different language, if somebody wants to put a question, how a Vyavaharika Vastu can be blessed by Paramarthika Satta? What is in Vyavaharika Satta? How can it get help from something which is of different Satta? If my Pratibhasika hunger is there, Vyavaharik Vastu cannot help. Then Vyavaharika Karyakarana Sanghata how it can be helped by Paramarthika Chaitanya? It is not put it in that language, but we can extrapolate more and say this is the objection. And this, during Mandukya, I had raised this question, and now also you should think about it. So, Karyakarana Sanghat, which is Upakriyamana, Bhautikasya Bhautikena eva Upakara Kriyamana Drishyate. Yadyapi Dehader Upakaryat Upakarakam Adityadi Sajatiyam Drishtam Tathapi न आत्मज्योति रूपकार्य सजातीयम अनुमेयम इति आशंक्याः। यद्यपि देहादेहे उपकार्यात्, देहादियार उपकारी और उपकार्य, उपकार्यात् उपकारक आदित्यादि ज्योति, उपकारकम आदित्यादि सजातीयम. Sajatiya means they are all bhautika, samana satta also. Drishta. Tadhapi na atma jyoti hi upakarya sajatiyam. Atma jyoti is not dehadi sajatiyam, vijatiyam. This is the Siddhanti will say this. That Atma Jyoti can be not Sajatiya. Why it has to be Sajatiya only? He said, Na Atma Jyoti hi Upakarya Sajatiyam Anumeyam. Siddhanti will tell Charvak, Atma Jyoti has to be Sajatiya only of Dehadi Sanghata. This Anumanam we don't have to do. It can be Vijatiya. इति आशंक्य आह यथा दृष्टंच इदम अनुमेयम. Charvak will say, you can do anumanam only based on what is seen. What is seen is vastu is being helped by another bhautika jyoti. Bhautika sanghata is being helped by bhautika jyoti. When you do anumanam, that anumana conclusion has to be of another bhautika jyoti only, because this is how it is seen. Yatha drishtam cha idam anumeyam. Idam atma jyoti. So atma jyoti also has to be sajati only. Tadeva spashtayati. Charvak is clarifying further. Yadi nama karya karanad arthantaram तद उपकारकम आदित्यादिवत ज्योतिष तथापि कार्यकरण संघात समान जातीयम एवं अनुमेयम. कार्यकरण संघात उपकारकत्वात् आदित्यादि ज्योतिर्वत. यदि नाम means even if there is some such thing. कार्यकरणाद अर्थांतरम different from कार्यकरण संघात. अर्थांतरम अन्यो अर्थ अर्थांतरम. तद उपकारकम कार्यकरण संघात उपकारकम आदित्यादिवत ज्योति. It is some jyoti like Aditya Jyoti. Like means just because he doesn't say unlike Aditya Jyoti. He says it's like Aditya Jyoti. Tadhapi कार्यकरण संघात समान जातीयम एवं अनुमेय. It has to have same nature as, same jati as Karyakarana Sangha. It also has to be Bhautika. Anumeyam. Karyakarana Sanghato Upakarakatvat. This is the Hetu. Adityadi Jyotirvat. This is Drashtanta. So his pratigna Charvak's Pratigna Vakya will be what?
सजातीय कार्य कार्यकरण संघात समान जातीयम एव अनुमेयम.
Mhm. So this is
प्रतिज्ञा.
this is only Sadhya. Karya Karana Sanghata Samana Jatiyam. Up to this will be Sadhya. Atma Jyoti or Upakaraka Jyoti, whatever that Upakaraka Jyoti is. Upakaraka Jyoti hi Karya Karana Sanghata Samana Jatiyam. That Jyoti, because of which Karya Karana Sanghata is able to do its function, it has to have the Sanghata Samana Jati. Those who are not very clear about these things, they should keep writing or they should listen to this again and do what is Pratignya, because this whole section is going to be Anumanam, Vyatireka Vyapti, this Vyapti, that Vyapti, in Bhashya, Tika, everywhere. See Tika. Vimatam, Antastham, Atiriktam, Cha, Atindriyatvat, Adityavat, iti Paroktam, Vyatireki, Anumanam, Anudya, Dushayati. Vimatam, Antastham, Atiriktam, Cha, Atindriyatvat. Vimatam, what is Vimatam?
Jyotihi.
Vidyoti, Atma Jyoti. Whose Anumanam is this? Vimatam, Antastham, Atiriktam Cha, Atindriyatvat, Adityavat.
Siddhant. Siddhanti.
15 number Tippani. Siddhanti Uttam. Paroktam. Vyatireki Anumanam. This Anumanam, which has Vyatireki Drishtanta, Charvak is re-quoting it. Anudya. Dushayati. Yad punar antasthatvat apratykshatvat cha tu jakaras. Apratykshatvat cha vailakshanyam uchyate. That which is antastha and apratyaksha, the chakshuraditya jyotirbhi anaikantikam. Anaikantikam. Anti. Takara has to be full. Antasthatvat apratyakshatvat, that which is within Indriya, Apratyaksha, Atindriya, and therefore it is different from Aditya Adi Jyoti, where Vailakshanyam Uchyate, Tad Chakshuradi Jyoti Bhihi Anaikantikam. Anaikantikam means
Vyabhichara.
Anaikantikam Vyabhicharitam. Vyabhichara is there. What is the Vyabhichara there? Chakshuradi Jyoti. Chakshuradi Jyoti. They are antaha or not?
No.
They are outside.
Chakshuradi, they are not atindriya.
Chakshuradi are not Atindriya. Chakshuradi are Atindriya. Indriya is Atindriya. Indriyas are not Indriya Pratyaksha. See 9 number Tippani. 8 number also we can see. Atindriyatva lingena atmajyotishi antasthatvam prasadya tamapi hetum kritva vimatam dehadi vilakshanam antasthatvat atindriyatvacha व्यतिरेकेण आदित्यवत् इति यत् तस्य देहादि वैलक्षण्यम उच्यते इत्यर्थः. अतीन्द्रियत्व is हेतु. अतीन्द्रियत्व लिंगेन आत्मज्योतिषी अंतस्थत्वम प्रसाद्य. आत्मज्योति is inner and that is now hetu and therefore dehadi vilakshanam antasthatvat in atindriyatvacha. This was true. विरुद्धतया हेतुद्वयम निरस्यति. हेतुद्वयम साध्याभाववद वृत्तित्वेन साधारण अनैकांतिकम इत्यर्थः. साध्याभाववद वृत्ति. साध्याभाव वृत्ति means
व्यभिचार.
साध्याभाववद वृत्तित्वम is व्यभिचार. That is sadharana anaikantikam. Is sadharana anaikantikam, asadharana, all these are given in hetva bhasa. So, Bade Maharaj ji in his tippani is making sure that all the tarka sangraha ideas are available now. So Vyabhichara is shown in these two hetu. Antasthatvat, Atindriyatvat in there. So Chakshuradi Jyoti, they have Antasthatvam, Apratyaksham. Both hetus are there. Atindriyatva is also there, Antasthatva is there. But they are not Dehadi Vilakshana. They are part of Deha. Anaikantikatvam Vyanakti. What is that Anaikantikatvam? He said, Yato Apratyakshani Antasthani Cha Chakshuradi Jyotimshi Bhautikani Eva. He says they are Bhautika. Apratyakshani Antasthani. Indriyas are Atindriya. So they are Apratyaksha. Tippani 1. Golaka Vailakshanya Upagamat Tesham. They are different from the Golaka. Here somebody may have some objection. I had mentioned this yesterday. When in mantra it was said Vak Jyoti. It was translated as Shabda. So here Chakshu Jyoti, Chakshuradi Jyoti Imshi. So Chakshuradi also you should translate as Rupa. Chakshu should become Rupa. Rupa is, if it is a Panchikrita Panchamahabhuta, Is it Indriya Pratyaksha or not?
No, Swamiji.
Then it will work. If we say, instead of Chakshu, we take Rupa, and then also we say that it is Apanchikritatvat. Indriyebhya parahyartha. In Kathopanishad, artha is superior to Indriya. You note this point. If we get opportunity, we'll discuss. Yato apratyakszani. We will definitely get opportunity. Only thing is we should have some, I should get some very clear answer on this. Apratyakszani antasthani cha chakshuradi jyotimshi. They are bhautika. They are panch mahabhuta karya. So they are apanchikrita panch mahabhuta, which is bhautika. Tasmat tava manorath matram, he says. Vilakshanam atma jyoti siddham. What you are saying, that there is vilakshana atma jyoti, is your manoratha. You are doing kalpana. Tika antasthani avyatiriktani cha sanghatat iti drashtapyam. Antasthani and avyatiriktani, antastha and vyatirikta from sanghata. Five number tippani. Vimatam अंतस्थम इत्यादि टीकोक्त अनुमाने अंतस्थत्वम कार्य करण संघात अधिष्ठानत्व रूपम विवक्षितम भाष्ये अंतस्थत्व सामान्यम एव हेतुकृतम. अंतस्थत्वम means that which is कार्य करण संघात अधिष्ठानत्व रूपम. It's adhisthana roop. Bhashye tu antasthatvam samanyameva hetukritam. In Tika, Anand Giriji has used antasthatvam as karya karana sanghata adhishthanatva rupa, whereas in Bhashya, antasthatva is samanya. तत्र च इंद्रियाणां करणतया तद अंतर्गतत्व रूपम एवं अंतस्थत्वम आदाय व्यभिचार प्रदर्शनम. In Tika, व्यभिचार is very clear. व्यभिचार फलम आहा. व्यभिचार फलम is what you are saying is मनोरथ मात्र. विलक्षणम अंतस्थम cha iti mantavya. So you are saying that it is vilakshana, means it is not bhautika, it is antastha, both are your manoratha. Kincha chaitanyam anuswara is missing. Sharira dharmaha tad bhava bhavitvat rupadivat ityaha. Chaitanyam is Sharira Dharma. Why? Tad Bhava Bhavitvat. Tad Bhava Bhavi means Sharira Bhava Bhave Sati Bhavati. Iti Sharira Bhava Bhavi. Tad Bhava Bhave Sati Bhavati. Iti Tad Bhava Bhavi. So Sharira Bhava Bhave Bhavati. Purva Paksha Charvak says Chaitanyam is Sharira Dharma. When Sharira is there, Chaitanya. Sharira is not there, Chaitanya is not there. Rupadivat. Like Rupa, Sharira Dharma, Sharira has Rupa. So when Sharira is Rupa is there. Sharira Rupa otherwise will go. Rupa here means the form, Vigraha of the body. Karya Karana Sanghat Bhava Bhavitvacha Sanghat Dharmatvam Anumiyate Jyotishaha. Karya Karana Sanghat Bhava Bhavitvat Sanghat Dharmatvam. Charvak says Jyoti is Sanghat Dharma. It is the dharma of Karya Karana Sanghat. Sanghat Bhava Bhavitvat. When Sanghata is there, that Jyoti is there. Vimatam Sanghatad Bhinnam Tad Bhasakatvat Adityavat Iti Anumanat Na Sanghata Dharmatvam Chaitanyasya Ityashankya Aha. Vimatam Sanghatad Bhinnam. Vimatam Atma Chaitanyam is Sanghatad Bhinna. Siddhanti will say is different from Sanghata. Why? Tad Bhasakatvat. The Drashta is different from Drishya according to Vedanta Siddhanta. Adityavat, like Aditya is different from Sanghata. All Jyotis are different from Sanghata. Atma Jyoti also will be different from Sanghata. This is the Anumana. Iti Anumana. Na Sanghata Dharmatvam Chaitanyasya. Iti Ashankya. When Siddhanti does Ashanka, Purvapakshi says, Samanyato Drishtasya cha Anumanasya Vavicharitvat Apramanyam. Samanyato Drishta Anumanam is Vavichari. Therefore it is Apramanyam. 4 number Tippani. What is Samanyato Drishtam and Visheshato Drishtam? He explains. Tippanika. Visheshato Drishtam, Samanyato Drishtam. Iti cha Dvividham Anumanam. Tatra Pratyaksha Yogya Arthanumapakam Visheshato Drishtam. Yatha Dhumadi. Pratyaksha Yogyartha. Sorry. Pratyaksha Yogyartha Anumapakam is Visheshato Drishtam. Dhumadi means Dhumavani Drishta Anuman. Nitya Atindriyartha Anumapakam Samanyato Drishtam. Yatha Chakshuradi Anumapakam. Rupadi Jnanam. Nitya Atindriyartha Anumapakam Samanyato Drishtam. Yatha Chakshuradi. Chakshuradi Anumapakam. I have Chakshurita or not. For that, when I do Anumanam, that Anumanam will be Samanyato Drishtam. Samanyato Drishtam means when I see the Rupadi Jnanam, when I get Rupa Jnanam, if I am able to see, that means I have eyes. Rupadi Jnanam is Chakshuradi Anumapakam. Where do I use this? I use this where the things are Nitya Atindriya. So Chakshurindriya is Atindriya. I cannot know through any Indriya. But by knowing the effect, like Rupa, etc., Rupa Jnanam will tell me my eyes are functioning well. when I cannot see or when I cannot taste. Simplest thing is when you are feverish a little bit and you cannot taste. So then you know there is some disease. This is samanyato drashta. And dhumavani jnanam is visheshato drashta. This is said by Taduktam Acharya Varadaraja Pranitayam Tarkika Rakshayam. Who is Acharya Varadaraja?
लघु कौमुदी वृत्तिका
That is who did Laghu Siddhanta Kaudi. Tarkika Rakshayam. Drishtam Samanyato Drishtam. Iti cha asya dvidhadvayam. Dvidhadvayam. So this part we will see in the next session. But prepare your Anumanam very well and all the doshas also. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutrabhashyakrtau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.